How about Eriq? Can you share maybe a story that you've or a big challenge and you're able to bring your expertise to actually figure it out?
Yeah, and it's happened over the past year, actually. So Priasoft is a software company, always have been. And one of the things that happened is the recognition from customers that we have a set of expertise in our arena. And about a year ago, we were approached by a large enterprise asking us, hey, we know you have this great software. We've evaluated it. We want to use it. But do you do services? Right? That wasn't our forte. It's not that we promoted and still don't promote, but looking at what was entailed and then also kind of examining, well, who else would they go to for this expertise? And we kind of realized it's a small pool of where they could go. And so we said, you know what, I think we can do that. So we dipped our toe into, unsure waters and went down the route of doing a services engagement with this customer and negotiated it, in an arena that we weren't familiar with, and we were successful there. Maybe a bit to our own surprise, we kind of thought, what are the unknowns transitioning maybe from product sale to services sale? But it turned out okay. And I think that's been our, something that's causing us to change our focus is to go, what? And it goes back to your question about, the customer profile changing is so many people in IT are strapped for time. A lot of these organizations runs very lean and they just don't have the bandwidth to do this work themselves, even if they have the expertise. And so I find more often now, especially when we ask the question, hey, we can offer some services here if you need it, but we're not going to push it on you and tell you that's the only way you can do it. But if you feel that's what you need, we have it. And the reaction to that has been very, very positive. So we're sort of morphing a bit and we're balance that line because we do a partner work and we don't want to seem like we're competing against our services partners. And so what we present ourselves in that case is more as a specialist is, hey, add us to as a subcontractor even, right? To where, this is something you may not hit all the time and it's very specialized, but why have to train up your guys on something very complex that you might only see once or twice a year? And so kind of navigating those waters and putting that together. But so far it's been all positive.